How to log into your TJX Rewards Credit Card account. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be discussing about how you can easily log into your TJX Rewards Credit Card account. So let's get started. First, just search in for TJX Rewards from any web browser and simply head over to the website, that is TJX Rewards Credit Card. And once you land on this page, to sign in or log into your account, you just have to tap on this hamburger icon at the top left corner and simply scroll down until you find the option that is sign in or sign up. So simply tap on that. So if you already have an account, you can always go for sign in, which is what we are doing over here. And if you haven't registered yet, you can always tap on this sign up button to fill out all of your personal info, such as your first name, email address, password, and creating your new password as well. So for now, I'll simply head over to sign in page and just provide your registered email address as well as your password, and just click on sign in button over here to successfully log in or sign into your TJX Rewards credit card account. So that's it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.